What is up, you guys? Back at it with another video here in my kitchen. I'm in the kitchen again because it's about 25 degrees outside, and the workshop I work in out in the backyard, there's not heat to it full time, so I had to go out there and turn the heat on, and it's still freezing cold in there. So the first part of this video we're gonna do in my nice, cozy, warm kitchen. And the reason I want to be warm is because I am gonna be checking out this bad boy right here. This is the Vance and Hines full performance exhaust system for my 2022 Honda Grom, and I have been waiting for this thing for a very, very long time. I ordered this last summer, I believe. I ordered it in June, and they said the estimated pre-order delivery would be the first week of October. I wait till October starts and ends. I wait for November to start and end. I'm in December, still nothing. I understand that the supply chain is messed up, so I'm in no rush, especially because I ordered this from Man in the Box, and they don't actually take your money until they have a product to send you. So really, it was just putting my name on a list. But last week, I finally got the email that these were in stock, and I jumped on it. I actually didn't even see the email at first. I saw their post on Instagram, and I was like super stoked. If any of you guys follow them, you probably saw my outlandish comment. I was like, woo, like losing my mind about this. So I run to my email. There's an email in there that says I can complete the purchase. So I do. And very next day, this thing is in the mail to me. Yeah, really great experience. But let's go ahead and put you on the stool here, my de facto tripod, and let's get this bad boy open. See what we got here. Just got this new floor, and it's nice. We like it. Hopefully you like it. Okay. Instructions. For closed course competition use only, not intended for street use. And we both know I'm gonna be using this on the street. I'm sorry, Man in the Box. I'm sorry, Vance and Hines. This bad boy, all the way on the street. Okay. Box in a box. Okay. All right. Let's see here. One more box. Bubble wrap. What seems to be the header pipe. Yes, header pipe. Ooh, yeah, that is nice. So small compared to some of the other exhausts I've opened on this channel, but yeah, I'm stoked on this. Looks good. Did you get a good look at that? All right, this is gonna be the mid pipe for sure. Let's see here. Yep, pretty standard mid pipe. Nothing to it. Though, inside is got some pretty good welds in there. I guess it's the interior of these, huh? Okay, that's cool. And there is another part, just hardware. A bunch of exhaust hangers, what looks like a bracket, some springs to keep everything tensioned together, and some little bungs and screws. Excuse me, screws. And another box in a box. This is obviously going to be the can, and yep, sure is. Let's see. Yeah, that looks good. Definitely worth the wait. Feels kind of like it has some good heft to it, which we'll see. This thing is wide open. There is some baffling in there, but this thing is basically straight and wide open. It is going to be loud, boys. Oh, man. But that's it. Honestly, I don't know what I expected here, but pretty simple process. It looks like this is all going to bolt together pretty easily. You go in there for sure. And then this situation is going to go on here to present something like this. You know, falling over. Woo! Okay, balance is good, dude. So yeah, we'll end up with that on the bike once all the springs and everything are in place. But let's fast forward to future me outside by the Grom to show you what the stock exhaust sounds like on this bad boy. Let's get this bike turned on and see if I can't let you hear this exhaust. Woo! It is still dirty. I sprayed it off after that last off-roading video, just like a quick spray off, but clearly it needs more than that. Clearly it needs a deep wash, but we'll do that when the new exhaust is on. We'll deep clean the whole thing because I'm sure I'm gonna get all kinds of greasy, grimy fingerprints all over it. But let's fire it up. and let you hear a stock 2022 Honda Grom. That's its fresh startup idle. It'll settle a little bit more at some point, I imagine, when it warms up, but it's like not impressive at all. Yeah, it's just not loud enough for me. Most importantly, it's very, very ugly. I gotta change it. You guys know I put an exhaust on everything. I need to put an exhaust on this bobber real bad, but you gotta wait, buddy. It's this one's turn. But yeah, I'm gonna wait for that building to heat up. I'm gonna get back there. We're gonna get this exhaust installed, and then we'll let you hear what it sounds like afterwards. I still gotta figure out what I'm gonna do about this tag mount. I don't love it there, but that's for another video. That's for another day. Today, let's get on some exhaust stuff. Okay, here's that bad boy installed. First things first, it looks so clean. This is hands down the best looking exhaust I've ever installed on anything. It's just super clean, no extra anything. Install was fairly easy, I'll say. They did send me the wrong size hardware for this bit right here. This little mounting bracket, the 2 screws they sent me were way too big to actually fit the holes. You put this bracket on and then they slot through the bracket into the exhaust. The screws they sent would fit through the bracket, but they would not thread into the exhaust at all. Luckily, pretty generic screw size. I had 2 laying around, so I threw those in there. It doesn't matter what color they are or anything like that because you can't even see them, so I made that work. I will say, with the exhaust being so much shorter, the license plate bracket bothers me less, so maybe I'll leave that on there. But let's fire it up. Let's let you guys hear this. That's why you're all here, right? I'm sure the title said something about a before and after sound test, so you can check it out. There it is. It sounds really, really good, and it is loud. I will tell you, if you want like a good sound, but you're not really like in love with the really loud exhaust, this is not the exhaust for you. This thing is loud. As you can tell, it is not shy, but I think that's a good safety issue. I think it'll keep you safe out here if you are a little bit louder, because you're not very big, you know. People hit regular size motorcycles. You get on a mini moto, it's kind of risky, so making yourself loud will help you stay a little bit safer, honestly. And obviously wearing reflective gear, if you're not opposed to it, at least not if you're not wearing reflective gear, maybe like a white helmet. Just don't wear black head to toe on a black bike and then ride around in the dark on a mini moto, you know. But that's the after. I like it a lot. I think it was really good value for money. It looks really good. It sounds really good to me personally. I like a loud exhaust. I think it just really brought the looks of this bike to the next level. Honestly, 0 complaints. I got the screws that I needed. I reached out to the company for so I bought it at Man in the Box, and it ships directly from Vance and Hines, and they did not send me install instructions. They only sent me OEM exhaust removal instructions, which was whack, but honestly, it's pretty easy. I figured it out on my own. I emailed Man in the Box and had them send me a digital copy of the instructions just to make sure I wasn't like botching something, like there wasn't some like really important like tightening down sequence or anything like that. But it was pretty straightforward. It was exactly what I said, what I had already done is what the instructions said to do. Like while waiting on his email back, I just went ahead and just did it, and it worked out fine. So super easy install. You can do it yourself. Do not pay a person for this. But that's it, y'all. Hopefully you enjoyed this little before and after. Hopefully if you're interested in the Vance and Hines exhaust for the 2022 Honda Grom, this helped you make your decision either for or against. But if you did enjoy this video, please go ahead and hit thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please go ahead and hit subscribe to the channel. I would super appreciate that. And last but not least, it's beautiful out here. Go ride your motorcycle. Time is wasting away. You gotta go seize the moment, you know what I mean? I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.